This kit bundles 12 warm white landscape spotlights with a matching low-voltage transformer, so you get a complete outdoor lighting solution in one box. The transformer includes a photocell and timer functions, allowing the lights to come on automatically at dusk and run on your preferred schedule without constant adjustment. Each spotlight uses efficient light-emitting diode technology and a focused beam to highlight trees, facades, and garden features with a pleasant 3000 Kelvin glow. The fixtures are built from die-cast aluminum with a weather-resistant design, giving them the durability to handle rain, snow, and strong sun over many seasons. Installation is do-it-yourself friendly thanks to the included hardware and quick wire connectors, which makes setting up multiple lights along a path or bed straightforward. Backed by solid warranty coverage and responsive support from a dedicated lighting brand, this kit feels like a dependable long-term upgrade for most yards and gardens.